Hey guys, how's it going? So what we're up to today is going to build a front air conditioner screen for this AC unit. Some years back I did this section here, and this is like, just from like the road view. So since this is on the south side and we just got this AC unit last summer, I figured I'd just add a front extension here. Just kind of keep the sun off of it, kind of hide it a bit, and if there's hail that comes through, to kind of protect it somewhat. So I'm gonna go about 5 feet here. So started digging the hole with the post hole digger. Got a cedar post here, 4x4. Got a 2x4 and some pickets. So finished digging this hole, and all right, got the post in the ground, and then got a line here so it's at the same height as this side. So go ahead and cut this right here, and then we'll put the 2x4 going across. All right, got the 2x4s on, and I think we'll go ahead and throw some stain on these before you put the pickets on. All right, got the stain on, and up next we'll put the pickets on. All right, got the front side done, and now we'll get the pickets on the back side. All right, all done. So I did cut these pickets. They're 42 inches long, and this section here that I added is 5 feet approximately. And I'm not concerned, if it ever needs service or anything, the air conditioner. This comes apart pretty easy, so that's not a problem. Plus there's always, around here, so that should not be an issue. But this will keep it out of the sun and, out of view. So I think it turned out pretty nice. All right, thanks for watching.